Hey everyone, it's Nancy Ann, and today I have for you a budget-friendly clothing subscription service to try on and review, Drape Fit. Thank you so much for being here for my review and try-on of Drape Fit. Drape Fit is one of the least expensive of all of the styling services, and that's why I like bringing them to you once a month. I do like bringing them to you once a month because I like giving my viewers a wide representation of what's available out there in terms of styling services. You can pick different price ranges with Drape Fit. I am one up from the bottom if I remember correctly. So the prices I tell you today, you can actually get items that cost less and of course will be of a little bit lesser quality as well. I have all of the cliff notes for you on how to order your own fit and what to expect. Fit is what they call the Drape Fit boxes that come. That will be down in the drop-down box. And if you use my link to order your own fit, you will get a $25 credit towards your first purchase, and I will get a credit as well. Thank you so much if you decide to do that. It helps me a ton. I was concerned we were not going to have a Drape Fit to put out this month. The warehouse was really backed up on shipping, I guess. I finally emailed them and said, hey, is this coming? Because I may not have a Thursday styling video for the first time ever on my channel if this doesn't get here in time, and they assured me that it would be, and it did. So we are hurrying up and recording this so my husband can get it edited and out to you on time. Consequently, I really will still have these items in my possession by the time this video comes out on Thursday, and you guys can weigh in for me and let me know what you think and if there's anything you think I should keep and what you think I should keep. Before I get into this first item, which is the green dress, I do want to show you the jewelry that she sent to match it, because I always forget until the very end, or at least the end of an outfit, to show the jewelry. I want to get it out of its packaging because the ring light glares on it so much. But here we go. So this is a little ring and necklace set. I'm sorry, not ring. It's an earring and necklace set. So sometimes I keep these because they're usually about $20 and they make nice little additions to my giveaway boxes. I'm starting another one, by the way. Got it sitting over there, a large priority mailbox. And whenever it gets full, usually it takes a few months, we'll do another giveaway. But now let's just go ahead and talk about the dress. I put this one on first because I thought I would probably like it the least of everything in the box. I knew there was going to be fit issues because these column style dresses never do fit me really great. I will say, however, if you are less hourglassy than me, this could very well be a very flattering little dress on you. I really like the Kelly green color. It does have some really pretty layered pleating here at the sleeves. You know, it drapes beautifully. I always like an interesting, pretty sleeve. So I like that. Hits just below the elbow on me. It's a little bit shorter than I would like, but when I pull it down a little bit, it goes down to an acceptable length. But my hips, when I walk, it's always going to scoot this dress up further, and it's going to wind up being short on me over time. Typical to these style dresses, it's too tight on me in the hips, too loose on me in the waist, and fits on the top. But I'm not really sure that this high neckline looks flattering on me with my bust line. It tends to droop my bust, drop it and make it look lower than it is. Not the most flattering look. From the side, I think it does a little bit better. Of course, it's way too tight in the back. I could have tried it with some Spanx, but my Spanx are a long line. They go down to about here, and I really felt like they could be peeking out from underneath. So I thought it was probably better just to go without, since it wasn't going to be a flattering dress no matter what. Okay, let's get on to the next two pieces. Next up, we have an outfit I really like, believe it or not. Let's start with the pants. So these are a very stretchy, polyester-y feeling pants. They do have pockets on them. They've got a split at the hem, which I really like. Going into fall and winter, it's predicted that these split hems, regardless of whether the split is front or side, are going to be a really big thing. I've been wanting some split hem pants. I can't believe I may have actually found them in Drape Fit. I am noticing, because these are less expensive brands, like there's some threads and things here that I could trim off, but depending on the price, if it's good enough, I will probably be more than willing to do that. And this isn't like this is a garment I'm going to wear all the time anyway. I do think, nice high waist, by the way. It's a wide, kind of a wide waistband with the, well, it's a wide waistband in the back too. I thought maybe it's elasticized. I do think they're just a little bit snug on me. So I would rather see I think they're calling these palazzo pants. I think I saw that on the tag or something, but I would rather see these more drape off my butt than cling to my thigh. So I might see actually if I can exchange these for the next size up. I'm going to guess that these are a large. Let's move on to this really pretty shirt. So this is a standard button-down placket shirt in a soft, thin satin. I'm going to assume it is a polyester satin. It has one button at the cuff here. And I always figure when there is one button at the cuff that it is begging you to fold it up like that. And it was really quite long. And I have, you know, regular length arms, so I think probably it was supposed to be folded up. But there's what the cuff looks like when it's down, if you just like a longer cuff on your arm. Let's see, what else? Placketed shirts, as someone who sews, they are very labor intensive. Just a lot more pieces to get in there. You have to set the collar in. That's never easy. There's always, of course, the underside on the collar. Then you got the placket that goes in. And additionally, the buttonholes all the way down. So always a little bit of a pain to make a button-down shirt. So I always expect the price on a button-down to be a little bit more. So it looks pretty good tucked in, but I gotta tell you, when it's tucked out, it's really long and there's a lot of room in it. I think this is a beautiful shirt. Here we go. There's the length. So that gives you an idea. Plenty of fabric here to work on whatever you want to do. You know, they're doing this thing lately where they're like unbutton it part way and then they're tucking half in. That's not a look I'm after, but if that's something you like and you have on a pair of jeans or something, that is something that you definitely could do. The thing is, does anybody remember way back my very first Front Door Fashion unboxing? I got a Vince Camuto long sleeve satin button down shirt in almost this exact same color, this beautiful icy blue. I don't have need for this stylish shirt since I have one almost identical. However, if I didn't have that, I probably would purchase this one. Alrighty, on to the next outfit. Next two items, we have this cream colored top, or is it an ecru? How would you describe this? With a sleeve, with a crochet detail on top and on the sleeve, and a pair of navy pull-on pants. This is not the way she suggested I wear this. She suggested that I wear these pants with this black top that I'm going to try next, and then this top with the pants that will be up next. But I don't tend to like to wear black with dark blue because I feel like I look like a big bruise. So I decided to switch the tops. Let's start with the pants. They are very lightweight. They're not chiffon because they are not see-through, but they definitely have kind of a chiffon type feel to them. Just a nice lightweight, breezy type of fabric to them. They have pockets. And they have a decorative tie, really. It's not functional. It doesn't do anything to bring in the waist because the waist is a wide elastic. These are too tight for me. If I was going to keep them, I would go up a size, but I don't believe I will. I don't think this is something I would really reach for. But here's the back, panty lines and all, if you can see them. And with it is, like I said, it's just like a t-shirt with a crochet type yoke. It's not truly crochet. It's, well, maybe. But anyway, it's a pretty top. I think it's a real pretty top. I like that it kind of breaks me up. Normally high necklines aren't super flattering with my bust, but this crochet detail up here helps to break that all up. I am really tripping over my words today. And then it's got a nice loose fit. I think this would look best probably with a pair of jeans, but the length on it is pretty good, I think. So there you go. Cute little top. Like I said, we'll cover prices at the end, and I'm going to come back with one more outfit. You are welcome in advance for the laugh. I was not going to wear these pants for you because I put them on and was like, these just don't work. But then I thought, well, why not? They might get a kick out of seeing them. So we've got the top. We'll talk about that first. It is a thin rib, very stretchy fabric, probably a polyester blend, little t-shirt with adorable little ruffles at the sleeve. I really like this top. I think it is so cute. I'm going to turn around so you can concentrate on the back of the top before I step back and we talk about the pants. So there we go. That's the top. When we're done discussing the pants, I'll pull it out and let you see the length. It's not very long, but I think this is an adorable little top. Okay, so the pants. So many things are going wrong here. First of all, it's a plaid. It's got a cream stripe going through, which I think is why she wanted me to wear it with the cream top. The bow, the ties for the bow, there's a pair of belt loops here that it inserts into the side and the back is elasticized, and then the two pieces come together to form the bow, which presumably you're supposed to put in front, but I never like these bows in the front. I always think it just, like, as I've said, unfortunate placement of tie ends. So I put it off to the side, then of course you wind up with one end that's way longer than the other one because they're in a fixed position. I can't slide it around. The waist on these is so short. I mean, I feel like with this paper bag waist, first of all, it should be loose through the hips. And second of all, it should be way up here at the small of my waist, but I can't get it up at that high because the waist is too short and it fits me like a second skin. I mean, I'm going to turn around just so you can laugh. I mean, look at this. These are painted on me. There are pockets. Yeah, that again just adds one more thing to add more to my hips with stripes going across also. I'm sure anybody with a keen eye has noticed that the plaid does not match up, the plaids in the front. Now, I'm not super picky about plaids matching up places like, well, it wouldn't be so much here, but you know, going down the side, that's a little bit hard to match, especially on the inside. But right here at a front seam where it's front and center where everybody can see it, you better match that stripe on the plaid. That would be a deal breaker for me anyway. And I'm assuming when I turned around backwards, it didn't match either. But these pants are cracking me up. They've got a skinny leg style. Of course, that's always the worst look possible for me on a pair of pants. I will say they're plenty long. The last thing I want to comment on is the fabric. It feels itchy and it feels poor quality, quite frankly. I mean, I don't like dogging on something, but that's just the truth. This ruffle waist is doing nothing. It's down here at the not narrowest part, kind of the widest part of my waist. This is just bad for me in a million ways, but these pants crack me up. Okay, I'm gonna put my own pants on and then we'll come back for a wrap up. As we go into our wrap up here, I want to say that my stylist Paulette, considering that I've been able to communicate with her not at all, has done a pretty good job, I think, with styling me. If anyone from Drape Fit is watching this, the button to click through and leave a note for the stylist for me in the emails is just not working. All things considered, I do think she's doing a pretty good job though, since the only thing she has to go on is the feedback that I leave on the clothes themselves when I check out. Alrighty, speaking of checking out, let's take a look at prices and brands and that sort of thing. One frustration I do have a little bit with Drape Fit is that in their invoice, they don't always list the brand. And so when I'm trying to tell you, sometimes I have to take a look at the clothes to see them. So if this takes a little bit longer than normal, I apologize. Okay, so first up, we've got the Shelby and Palmer pleated sleeve women's dress, size 10 in green. This is only $28.99. They did have the brand on that one. That was nice. Didn't fit me at all, except for through the top, but pretty dress. And if you have a less curvy figure than me, less hourglassy, this might actually be a good one for you to request. I will have all of these items, by the way, listed down below. Then we've got the woman's plaid high-waisted paper bag pants, size large, 10 to 12, it says, in gray and black. And this one is $29.75. The brand on this, is Show. This feels like an inexpensive pant. The price reflects this, and this worked on me in absolutely no way, shape, form, or fashion. So that's a hard pass on that right there. Then we've got the tribal lace on shoulder top. in beige, size large 10 to 12. And this one is $28.75. This is a cute top, but this color doesn't do a darn thing for me. And it's not a color I gravitate towards anyway. The brand on this one looks like REB or Reb in J, the letter J, 220. Don't know if you can see that brand right there. So that's the brand on it. I almost feel like this could have been a size smaller for me, but I would want it in a different color. Then we have the button-down V-neck blouse. Size 10, it's a large 10 to 12, blue, $27.99. You know what surprised me about this? The brand is H&M. I'm confused by that. Isn't H&M a brand unto itself, like its own store? I don't really know about these kinds of things, but somebody out there, one of my viewers is going to know the answer to that question. It just seems odd to me there's an H&M piece in a styling service box. Anybody else think that's funny? Anyway, I think the price on it for the quality is very good. It's a really nice little top, very comfortable, very soft. It's in this satin charmeuse. I thought the detailing on it was good. I don't need anything like this, but this is an awfully cute little top. What's next on the list? We've got the women's high-waisted wide leg palazzo pants, size large 10 to 12, black, $29.99. That's these. These are the ones that I said if I can exchange for a larger size. So I'm going to see if I can get them in an extra large. The waist will fit me in a size up because the waist was perfectly fine on this. I could tell I could go up a little bit. So I'm actually going to check and see. What did I say? $29.99 on these? Oh, yep, $29.99. I think that's a good price. And I've been looking for some split hem pants. It's got some nice details. Not super high quality, but not something I would wear a lot anyway. And who would have thought I'd have found my split hem pants from Drape Fit? We've got the Ruffle rib t-shirt right here. This was my favorite of the tops. I actually think it's very cute. This is a size 10 large in black. Ooh, this is $39.99. Wow. The brand on this is Zara. Zaba? Let me put my glasses on. Let's see for sure. Zaba, Z-A-B-A. I think that, what do you guys think? It's a cute top. I do have several black t-shirts. Honestly, I need to get rid of a couple of them. They're really old. I love the little detail. I'm going to look this brand up, but what do you guys think? Have you heard the brand Zaba before? Do you think I should get this? Like I said, I'll still have these pieces when the video comes out and would absolutely love some feedback on this one. And let's see, then the tie front high waist woven pull on palazzo pant, size large, 10 to 12, in blue, $25.99. Good price on these pants. They were too small for me and I don't need another pair of blue pants. But I think that's a great price for the quality and nice and lightweight. These would be absolutely fabulous in summer. It could be dressed up or down. And I like those. I don't think I'm going to get them, but they're cute. And that leaves, by process of elimination, the fashion jewelry, earring, and necklace set, free size in green, $19.99. That little set there. I'd like for you guys to weigh in on the black shirt for me, though, please. Would appreciate it. And I really do appreciate you also being here and spending a little bit of time with me, unboxing another Drape Fit, taking a look at this company. I absolutely love your comments. That's a fun part for me. Please be sure to leave a comment down below. It's a bunch of fun interacting with you guys. As always, you know, like, subscribe if you would like to. Liking the video always helps me so much in the algorithm and get the videos out there for people to see. And thanks again for spending a little bit of your time with me today, and I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye, and be blessed. Hey everyone, it is Nancy Ann. Thank you for being here. And today I have for you what do I have? Hello everyone, it is Nancy Ann, and today I have for you the budget-friendly. It's a budget-friendly, but not the budget-friendly. Hey everyone, what was with my hand? Okay. I want to get this eventually.